Welcome to another LK Metrology training video. Today we're going to be looking at cutting planes in CAMIO. Cutting planes allow you to slice your CAD model and gain better understanding of your access to features when programming. As you can see, right now it's hard to tell if my probe can reach the feature I want to measure. So let's use a cutting plane to get a better view of our access. To switch this tool on, we can select the cutting planes icon in the model window. This lists 3 different planes which can be used either individually or in a combination. Select cutting plane 1 and a new dialog box will appear. This contains the tools for our cutting plane. We can choose a fixed axis for our cutting plane, X, Y, or Z, or we can use an existing plane on our part to create a cutting plane parallel. The cutting plane can also be flipped so the opposite side of the CAD is hidden. We also have some tools that allow us to manipulate our cutting plane, either rotating it around our selected axis or translating along another. If we need to, we can add an additional cutting plane which can use the same tools. This is done by selecting an additional cutting plane from the drop-down list. In this example, you can see that we only require one cutting plane in the Y-axis, but we now have a much better view of the probe and a better understanding of our access. And that's it. Now we know how and why to use cutting planes in CAMIO.